Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into keeping your gadgets, home, or workspace spotless and dust-free, you're going to love today's review. We're diving into the DusterX Pro, a powerful and compact device designed to make dusting quick and easy. Alright, so what is the DusterX Pro exactly? In simple terms, it's a rechargeable, high-powered air duster designed to efficiently remove dust and debris from your electronics, keyboards, car interiors, and just about any other surface you need to clean. And the best part, it's eco-friendly and a perfect alternative to those messy and wasteful compressed air cans. Let's dive into some of its key features. First up, we have its powerful and compact design. Despite its size, the DusterX Pro packs a punch when it comes to air pressure. Whether you're cleaning your laptop or dusting off small electronics, it provides a focused burst of air that gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Next, it's USB rechargeable, which means you don't have to deal with replacing batteries or constantly buying new compressed air cans. Just plug it into any USB port, and you're good to go. Convenient, right? Now, here's something I really appreciate about the DusterX Pro. It's equipped with a brushless motor. This ensures that the motor lasts much longer than typical air dusters, meaning you won't have to worry about it wearing out over time. Plus, it runs quietly, which is a huge bonus. And check this out, the DusterX Pro is lightweight and ergonomic. It's super comfortable to hold even for extended periods, and its compact design makes it easy to store and travel with. You'll also get a set of multiple nozzle attachments that allow you to tailor your cleaning experience. From precision cleaning to larger surface areas, you've got the versatility you need to tackle any dusting job. And let's not forget, this is an eco-friendly alternative to those disposable air cans. No more throwing out cans after each use. You're doing your part to reduce waste while still getting the same level of performance. Now, let's talk specs. The DusterX Pro is equipped with a high-efficiency motor that delivers powerful bursts of air to clear out the toughest dust without damaging your delicate equipment. And since it's rechargeable via USB, you won't have to worry about buying new air canisters every time it runs out. I've been using it on everything from keyboards to car vents, and I've been really impressed with how it works. It's just the right amount of power, not too weak, but not so powerful that it could potentially damage sensitive surfaces. Now, like with any product, there are a few pros and cons to consider. Pros include the powerful performance, USB rechargeability, long-lasting motor, and eco-friendly design. Plus, it's super lightweight and comes with multiple attachments. As for the cons, it's mostly about size. If you're looking for something with even more power or something larger for heavy-duty jobs, this might not be the best fit. But for most home or office uses, it's more than sufficient. All in all, I think the DusterX Pro is a fantastic product if you're tired of wasting money on disposable air cans. It's affordable, powerful, and built to last, making it a great investment for anyone who wants an efficient and eco-friendly way to keep things clean. So if you want to grab one, I'll drop a link in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you've used the DusterX Pro, or if you're thinking about giving it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. See you next time!